Guest, welcome. My name is Teresa Tims, and I'm president of TDR Mortgage and Real Estate Group. I am giving a mortgage and real estate update. I think now more than ever, it counts to be as up to date as possible. If you're in the real estate or mortgage industry or some ancillary affiliate related industry, you need to have your pulse on the market. So I'm just going to give you a quick rundown today. There have been a lot of changes happening. I am what's called a mortgage broker. I highly encourage people that are seeking out a home loan to seek out the advice of a mortgage broker. That's me. A locals only, a local mortgage broker. And one of the main reasons is that we have access to wholesale pricing. We eliminate the middleman and are able to deliver on-time successful results and the lowest rates on the market with the ability to shop multiple sources. Are you ready for some serious business? Rates are, I want to say that word right now, but I'm not gonna. Freaking fantastic. Oh my God. So I priced out a 15-year the other day and almost lost my mind because I was quoting a client, a highly qualified client with a lot of equity, 2.5. Actually, I think I sent that fee sheet out today, 2.5 on a 15-year loan. And he was paying like $4,000 in the amount of points or costs for the loan, plus like regular closing costs or whatever. But are you kidding me? He shaved off, or he's going to shave off, $117,000 of future interest. $117,000. His payment's going up like $150 or something ridiculous. So this is a great time to go rate and term and really take a look at preparing for the future. If you're in a position and you're working, fortunately for you, you can take advantage of these super crazy low rates. Okay, so let me give you the rundown. 30-year fixed, 5% down is pricing out around 4-ish, high 3s, low 4s, and you're probably going to pay a point or a 1.5 for that. I really didn't see a lot of opportunity to do that 5% down loan at no cost. Now, an FHA purchase, 3%, let's say low threes, and you might pay 0.5 point, you might not. But God, that's great. That gives you so much purchasing power. And I think if you're out there right now looking for a home loan or looking for a home, you probably don't have a lot of competition. So I would have to say this, you waited for it, buyers, and now it is your time. It is your time. It is officially a buyer's market if no one's been telling you that. I know everyone's talking about how great the housing market is. It's going to come back, blah, blah, blah. Y'all know I don't quite believe that. What is my golden rule though? If you can buy a house and the mortgage payment is the same as about what the rents are, buy 10 of those little suckers. So if you're in a position and you'd like to get out there and start looking right now, you reach out to me, DM me, or leave me a message, or go through one of my channels. TDRmortgage.com has a really easy application process, and we'd love you to hop on there or simply text me to get started so we can take a look at what that looks like for you. And if you're not ready to buy right now, what about, you want to prepare yourself for the end of the year? It's never too soon to prepare yourself and get in a perfect position to, as Christine Fern says, to pounce. Okay, what else? Oh, gosh. I think I covered it all. So I talked about earlier that the rate in terms are in the low 3s, which are pretty amazing. That's helping out a lot of people. And then the cash outs are a little bit higher. They charge a little bit of a premium to take cash out. 3.3, 3.5 with a $3,000 to $6,000 cost is what I'm seeing. So I think that's it. That's all of my good news. No bad news. We're not going to talk. We're not saying anything bad because you guys have like a ton of that right now, right? So I refuse. I will not be the bearer of bad news. Over at TDR Mortgage, we are closing loans. We are closers. That's what we do. We make things happen. We make dreams come true. Okay, that sounds super corny, huh? Cornylicious. Hi, Steve. Okay, so if nobody has any questions, if you'd be so kind and courteous as to like, comment, and subscribe below, I would love it. It would make my day. Okay.